keep it simple and plain, I'ma let you do the math. 2 plus 2, the game is simple arithmetic. State your claim, the rules change depending on who you kick it with. Yeah, I'm trying to benefit, that's why I'm staying on my hustle. Doing mental CrossFit, constantly building up my muscle. Other rappers look like midgets when standing next to me. Producers sound just like idiots banging on them keys. Man, I'm the coldest triple threat in the city. If you thinking that you better, I challenge you to come get me. Rappers can't produce tracks like me, and producers can't rap like me, and you singers can't even stay in key. I ain't capping, I'm really speaking the truth. You can dodge me in the streets, I'll bust your head in the booth. I'm hella dope, just like snorting a line, and you suckers just can't stop my grind or stop my shine. It's just my time.
Stop me, feeling confident and cocky, going harder than Rocky. Ay, so you can attempt to slow me down, partner, but you cannot stop me. Feeling confident and cocky, going harder than Rocky. Ay, so you can attempt to slow me down, partner, but you
I'm
cannot
on top of the slow.
stop
Yeah,
me.
before sniper mode, got the entire globe inside of my scope. They're telling me to hang it up because I'm just too old, but I reply with a middle finger to them like fool. No, still funkier than a clogged up commode. Snapping up and these kicks hitting harder than De La Russo. Not cocky but a confident professional, international mogul. While some of you cats remain to stay local and trying to charge me 500 for a verse. I chuckle and laugh. Give my nigga P Maine the dap and commits to killing this track. Around these youngsters running these labs, training like Balboa until my body collapse. On a daily, perfecting my craft. Coming tight in them skinny jeans hanging off of your ass. While y'all too busy chasing these women, trying to get between their linen. GTM and like minds, killing the competition.
Stop me, feeling confident and cocky, going harder than Rocky. Ay, so you can attempt to slow me down, partner, but you cannot stop me. Feeling confident and cocky, going harder than Rocky. Ay, so you can attempt to slow me down, partner, but you cannot